In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Udemy app on laptop. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening your preferred web browser, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, and type udemy.com into the address bar. Allow the page to load fully. This is the easiest way to access Udemy on a laptop because the site is optimized for desktop browsers and gives you the same controls and course navigation you get on other devices. Once the home page is visible, sign in to your Udemy account if you already have one. If you don't, creating a new account is straightforward. Choose the sign up option, provide the required information, and verify your email if prompted. Staying signed in on your browser can save time later, but for shared computers, make sure to log out when you're done. After you're signed in, you can access your purchased and enrolled courses directly in the browser. Use the My Courses or similar menu option to open your course library. From there, you can play lectures, view resources, follow along with transcripts, and use the built-in navigation to jump between lessons. The browser experience supports streaming video, downloading attached resources provided by instructors, and viewing course announcements. If you need offline access to video lectures, understand that the ability to download course videos depends on the instructor's settings. Some instructors enable downloads and some do not, so check the course's content settings first. If downloads are enabled, Udemy's official mobile apps offer a built-in offline mode, but on a laptop you'll typically rely on browser features or third-party tools. For offline downloads on a laptop, one option is to search for a Udemy downloader extension, compatible with your browser, such as extensions available for Chrome or Edge. When you find an extension, review its ratings and permissions carefully before installing. Install the extension and follow the extension's on-screen instructions to download lectures, keeping in mind it will only work for content where the instructor has allowed downloads. Always respect copyright and course terms of use. A final tip: if you run into playback or download problems, try clearing your browser cache, disabling conflicting extensions, or updating your browser. If issues persist, Udemy's Help Center offers guidance on account and playback troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and like if this walkthrough helped you get started with Udemy on your laptop.